Hello friends and welcome to Coin Mühendisi Global. The sixth video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is RSI and how to use it. But before we start our video, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So if you haven't yet, click on the subscribe button and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. The Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator where most commonly used to indicate temporarily overbought or oversold conditions in a market. The objective of the RSI indicator is to measure the change in price momentum. The RSI is a commonly used indicator by intraday traders as it is effective in generating the right signal. Every indicator has different settings and periods that can be used to generate the most relevant signals. An intraday trading strategy can be devised to take advantage of indications from the RSI that a market is overextended and therefore likely to retrace. You can add the RSI indicator from the indicators folder by typing it on the search box. The RSI was designed to indicate whether an asset is overbought or oversold in relation to recent price levels. The RSI is calculated using average price gains and losses over a given time. The default time is 14 days with values bounded from 0 to 100. This yellow line here is our moving average for our RSI, and the purple one here is our RSI indicator. When the purple cross passes with the yellow from the upside, we can predict a decrease in the price, and when the opposite happens, we can tell that the price might increase. An RSI reading of 30 or below indicates an oversold or undervalued condition. During trends, the RSI readings may fall into a band or a range. During an uptrend, the RSI tends to stay above 30 and should frequently hit 70. But sometimes the RSI does lower highs and lower lows, while the market price makes higher highs and higher lows, also known as the RSI divergence. So if the price is making higher high and the indicator is making lower low, then it is an indication of bearish divergence in the RSI. In the same manner, when the price is making higher lows and the RSI is making lower highs, then it is an indication of bullish divergence in the RSI. You can use the RSI indicator with other indicators to identify the changes in the market trend and find a good spot to enter into a profitable trade. That is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.